Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about a game-changing technology that's sweeping Hollywood. Imagine a world where computers can create their own scripts, characters, and even predict box office hits. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it isn't. This is the exciting world of generative AI in Hollywood today. This revolutionary technology is not just reshaping the way movies are made, but also redefining the future of entertainment. So let's dive right in. In the early days of movies and TV, directors had to film their stories in specific settings. They either went on location to real places, used studio backlots with fake streets and buildings, or even hired painters to create backdrops. But later on, they started using green screens, where they could add images in post-production. Then, things took a huge leap in 2016 when industrial light and magic rocked the world of backdrops. They introduced high-definition LED video walls, also known as volumes. These cool video walls were first used in the film Rogue One and have since become a game-changer on the Disney Plus series The Mandalorian. What's even more fascinating is that a lot of the content on these volumes over the past few years has come from Unreal Engine, a system by Epic Games, usually used for creating video game environments. That's when the directors realized they have a whole new world of possibilities right at their fingertips. And that's what the metaphysics CEO Tom Graham was trying to tell us when he said, "We can actually do things with AI that are impossible with traditional methods to get that really hyper-realistic look that doesn't look uncanny, doesn't look weird, and doesn't look CGI." His insight about AI being at the beginning stage but having the potential to eventually consume everything is quite thought-provoking. It's true that generative AI models trained on real-world data have the capability to transform various aspects of our lives. Yup, that also includes entertainment and gaming. Think about it. From movies and TV shows to video games and interactive experiences, generative AI can take us places. Take Metaphysic, for example. They are making waves with their content creation tools, especially their deepfake technology, and their ability to create realistic and convincing deepfakes of famous personalities like Tom Cruise and Simon Cowell on America's Got Talent is quite impressive. The fact that Metaphysic raised $7.5 million to expand their content creation tools shows that there's a lot of interest and investment in this field. So, let's look at some ways these industries have incorporated AI. Can you imagine huge screens displaying stunning images that were all made by a special computer program? That's where a company called Sahinli in Massachusetts has created Kubrick. This cool new AI uses something called the Stable Diffusion model and some really cool prompts to generate these images. And these prompts are not your ordinary ones. Oh no, they are unique and creative, like starting with image from an award-winning movie and then adding more details. The people behind Kubrick are a creative duo, Piner Sahin D. Murdag, who knows arts and design, and Gary Lee Cope, who's got loads of experience in ad agencies. And it's making a big impact in Hollywood, from image to screen. But Kubrick isn't just about creating images and stopping there. It goes way beyond that with some mind-blowing capabilities. Let me break it down for you in simple terms. First off, Kubrick uses AI-based segmentation to turn regular images into something magical called 5D images. It automatically adds depth and shapes to these images, making them look more realistic and cool. Then there's AI in painting, which is like filling in the missing parts of an image with other AI-generated images. Then there's the editing part of it. It can remove any unwanted stuff from the images, making them perfect for the big screen. Other than that, it can upscale images to super high-quality resolutions like 4K. So you get super sharp and clear visuals. Now, once the images are all set and done, they are sent to a media server for use on a special stage called a volume. And the best part is, these images can be animated too. Imagine clouds floating in the sky, making everything come to life. So, even for actors, it's a piece of cake to work with Kubrick's images on the volume stage. They can see the whole environment they are acting in, which makes their job way easier than dealing with a green screen and adding backgrounds later. So, AI tools can be a game changer in filmmaking, bringing lots of improvements. But, like everything, there are also some downsides, especially when it comes to tugging at our heartstrings with powerful emotions. Sure, it can handle visual effects and make things look spectacular, but when it comes to the real creative stuff, it might not really understand how we humans think, feel, and interact with each other. And that's a big deal when you want to create characters and storylines that really connect with audiences on an emotional level. After all, what makes a movie memorable is how it makes us laugh, cry, and care deeply about the character's journey, right? But there's a solution. It's not all that bad, and AI has still made impossible tasks very much possible. Even the directors were quick to realize this. A whole new dimension of possibilities has opened up for them. Why? Gone are the days when they had to solely depend on their own limited resources to achieve realism in their films. With AI by their side, they can conjure up the most intricate and jaw-dropping scenes that were once just dreams. From fantastical landscapes to mind-bending visual effects, it's become their secret weapon in pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But how is it going from independent productions to major studios? For starters, filmmakers of all scales can now rely on generative AI to autonomously create content. This includes generating scripts, storyboards, and even entire scenes. So, if you're an independent filmmaker, you'll get to live the dream. Plus, you can even benefit from the ability to develop compelling stories and visually captivating elements without needing huge budgets or extensive resources. And for studios, generative AI streamlines content development, generates fresh ideas for potential projects, and enhances storytelling capabilities. Next, we've got the VFX industry. It will benefit both indie filmmakers as well as studios. AI-powered algorithms can create stunning CGI characters, creatures, and environments with incredible realism. This reduces the need for labor-intensive manual work and brings high-quality VFX within reach for a broader range of productions. That also means that you can now achieve visual effects that were once only feasible in big-budget studio films. If you're worried about post-production and editing, they've got that covered too. AI algorithms can efficiently analyze and edit footage, apply visual effects, and assist in color grading, sound design, and video editing. This accelerates the post-production process, saving time and effort, and offering creative suggestions and enhancements for filmmakers to bring their visions to life. Then we've got budget optimization. Filmmaking can be heavy on your pocket, but these AI-powered algorithms can analyze data on production costs, box office performance, and audience engagement to provide insights and recommendations for cost-effective production strategies, marketing campaigns, and revenue projections. This can help you make the most of your limited budgets. And it even allows studios to make data-driven decisions to maximize their returns on investment. And finally, audience engagement is super important. It can analyze data on audience behavior, preferences, and engagement to generate insights and recommendations for content creation and marketing. This can help you tailor your content to specific audience segments, create personalized experiences, and optimize marketing strategies for better audience engagement, regardless of the production scale. It will serve as an invaluable source of creative inspiration. If you're picturing yourself working on a film, you're probably also wondering how to get some serious inspiration to get started on a project. No worries, just tap into generative AI and it'll serve you a buffet of creative elements. From stunning visuals to groovy tunes, it's got everything you need to make your storytelling pop and your characters come alive. Indie filmmakers, you're in for a treat. With generative AI by your side, you can experiment with all sorts of styles without breaking the bank. As for the big studios, it's a gateway to fresh ideas and mind-blowing creativity. say hello to pushing the limits and wowing audiences with out-of-this-world storytelling. So, whether you're just starting out or a seasoned filmmaker, generative AI is your secret sauce to ignite your imagination, make your films stand out, and take your creativity to the next level. In fact, the big guys are already there. Warner Bros., one of the major players in Tinseltown, teamed up with Synalytic to get some smart insights. They're using AI to make movie decisions like a boss. From picking the perfect release dates to nailing top-notch marketing and distribution strategies, AI is helping them make all the right moves. But that's not all. Back when it was known as 20th Century Studios, they joined forces with the genius minds at Google. Together, they used machine learning to predict what makes audiences tick. AI is like their secret sauce for knowing exactly who loves their movies, helping them target the right folks with their incredible content. It looks like Hollywood's getting a massive upgrade all thanks to these algorithms, revolutionizing the way movies are made, marketed, and released. So that's all for today, guys. What are your thoughts on generative AI taking over the film and entertainment industry? Are you excited for these new updates? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more tech-savvy updates. Thanks for watching.